Welcome to another episode of the Coffee Conversation Show powered by the Emerging India Forum, TEIF, and our tech partner, Prime Infotech Solution. Series is The Emerging Lawyer, theme is Balancing Law and Technology, Cyber Law, and Beyond. Today's episode, we have with us Dr. Pooja Saxena, a distinguished cybersecurity lawyer and data protection expert, whose career is dedicated to safeguarding the digital realm. She has a doctorate in cyber law and extensive experience in international contracts. She has been at the forefront of protecting businesses and startups from the evolving threats in cyberspace. So, friends, Dr. Pooja is based in Bangkok with the family. So, this is an international episode. Thank you, Pooja, for this international episode. We have done around 200 plus episodes all over the world, including international guest speakers. So you are among one of the guest speakers from the International Coffee Tribe.
Thank you for such a lovely introduction and welcoming me for this coffee conversation.
Thank you. So friends, I'm Lion Amir Virani, host at Coffee Conversation and Legal Tech Evangelist. So Pooja, I'm going to explain you the format. You know about the 2 rounds, professional and personal, but there is a surprise fun round, rapid fire round.
Okay, look forward for it.
Yeah, and with your answers wittily, funnily, correctly, you get to win this book.
I'll give my best, I assure.
So we have sent across the ebooks to our coffee speakers, so you will also get it. It will be autographed. So I'm an author of 15 ebooks.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, thank you. So, okay, let's begin our conversation. So my first question in the professional journey, what inspired you to pursue a doctorate in cyber law and how has it shaped your career?
Okay, thought-provoking question, first of all. My passion about exploring the intersection of law and technology has been since beginning, as well as my master's into LLM, my master's into corporate law. I did my MPhil and LLM both into these fields. So I feel the combination of corporate and cyber is something very good, and it will help me go hand in hand. So that also inspired me, and this knowledge has positioned me to be a thought leader in cyber law and enable me to advise on global data privacy policies, contribute to policy development, and offer specialized legal counsel on complex digital matters.
Wow. So now, Pooja, how do you approach the complexities of international contracts in your work related to businesses and startups?
Okay, I appreciate you asking that because navigating into international contracts demand a comprehensive understanding of
Yes,
companies, system and regulatory framework and cultural nuances. My approach involves meticulous research, precise drafting, and collaborating with local legal experts to ensure compliance with cross-border data transfer regulation, GDPR, and other relevant data protection law. I emphasize the importance of clarity in contract terms and addressing the issues which a company is facing so that a potential ambiguities to safeguard the interest of the business can be taken care of by tailoring agreements to the specific operation needs and legal requirements. Obligation to each jurisdiction. I help mitigate the risk and ensure robust legal protection across board.
Wow. So now, Pooja, can you walk us through a challenging case where your expertise in data protection made a significant impact?
Like, can I walk you through like the challenges which I've faced? Okay,
Challenges,
this
anything you want to share, which
okay.
you're open for sharing.
Yeah, this question has come with a caveat because I will keep the privacy of my clients very
Yeah,
tight.
yeah.
I won't disclose much about it, but yeah,
Yeah.
there are few cases like I can give you a brief about like there are cases which I'm facing like right now it's going on. It's about one particular multinational company facing a data breach that exposed the sensitive customer data. So my role was to first of all navigate the complex web of international data protection laws, including GDPR compliance, while coordinating with the legal teams across different countries by implementing a robust incident response plan and guiding them to like guiding the company through regulatory reportings, as well as advising them to communicate with the customers. We were able to mitigate the potential fines and reputational damage. This case also highlight the importance of privacy policies, which should be in place and should always be taken care of and cannot be neglected.
Wow. Okay. So let's continue the conversation. What are some common misconceptions about cybersecurity that you encounter with international clients?
Oh, that's again something very important. Good you have asked it, because many people, like, this is something which everyone faces or everyone asks me. First of all, misconception, I want to burst these myths. That's why I'll answer it and elaborate. First is that cybersecurity is a tech issue. It's not a legal issue, which is really a myth. It's cybersecurity, when you say, people only count it as an IT issue, though it's a legal issue as well. It's a combination of both. They go hand in hand. Second thing, people think cybercrime could happen to big businesses, not to the small one. So all are victim to it. You can't keep thinking that this is not my issue, so I won't go for privacy policies or for other precautions, legal precautions to take. So that should be taken care of without considering this is not a legal issue.
Wow. Okay. Now, how do you foresee the future of cybersecurity law, especially with emerging technologies like AI, IoT?
Okay, this is again one I struggle also, but I try to give my best, because see, when I have to be in this field, I'm prepared that I have to give my best by keep on upskilling myself, and my path has been like I've been continuously studying. It's not stopping. So this is something which I do. I attend conferences and meeting. I try to be with the global try to be in touch with the global experts, try to attend the meeting, conferences, and most importantly, my suggestion would be, like, to whoever is in this field, please read. Every time technology is evolving, so has to law, people have to be.
Wow. Now, can you share your experience with legal assistance for website documents like terms of service, privacy policies, and so on?
That's the key aspect of my work, and I'm glad I'm being asked for it. I have extensive experience in drafting and reviewing website policies and documents such as terms of services and privacy policies. These documents plays a crucial role for defining the legal relationship between a website and the user and ensuring compliance with data protection laws. So my approach involves customizing these documents to reflect the specific business model, ensuring that they are clear, enforceable, and aligned with the latest legal requirements. This process often includes addressing issues like user consent, data collection practices, and dispute resolution mechanisms.
Wow. Now, Pooja, how do you tailor your legal solutions to meet unique needs of different industries?
See, again, it's the same like process whenever you are designing, may it be digital or may it be like I have a corporate experience also. So wherever it is, first of all, we have to see what does a business demand, what does a corporate company is asking for, what is the nature of that company. First, we have to consider that, then see their risk involved, many factors, and what is the opposite party is also blaming them for. So considering those all factor, as well as GDPR compliances and legal things, keeping them in place, we design accordingly.
Wow. Okay. Now, who has been a mentor or who has influenced you from the world of cyber law?
From the world of cyber law, my mentor throughout has been my dad, because he is into legal field. But in cyber law, Praveen Dugal, no one else. I can't say any other name than that, because he is all, I am reading his books. Kanika Seth, again, she also inspires me as a woman into cyber world. So these two people have been always inspiring by their work, the way they speak, the way they are conquering and reaching forward in this field, which really need to be addressed by every person, but they are the first people to do it. And I'm glad they are from India.
Yeah. What about someone from international cyber law field?
Not much. I don't want to talk on that because I want to keep living outside the India. I always keep my India on top list. But
Yeah, we are proud Indians.
yeah, we are proud Indians. There are many. We can't deny that thing. Like there are many from European countries also, but not publicly. I'll publicly support India. I'll say India people are doing a great job.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now, how has technology helped you in your work?
Immensely, immensely. First of all, I'm a tech lover. Technology helped me first to provide work, to provide legal services online, and to connect with my colleagues and other people, colleagues as well as my clients, importantly. Secondly, it helped me evolve a lot into this digital field where it is very necessary to evolve on daily basis. So technology plays a vital and quintessential role in that because it made my job very easy. It enabled me to deliver services online, like terms of contract and all the services which I can legally give, I can give online also. The time has changed and it is all because of technology, and it has made my work very, very easy, which people also feel ki this cannot be done. You are sitting in some other part of world, still you are providing services in India. How is that possible? It's all because of technology.
Oh, okay. So now, my sorry, uh, your teaching experience, as we were just discussing about coffee, how was the experience, and do you miss your teaching days?
Yeah, that experience was immensely great. I've enjoyed years. I've been for almost 4 to 5 years as a law lecturer. So for a while, I was like a visiting lecturer, but later I was into a full-timer role. So that was good because I have touched many fields. And first of all, I was fortunate. I just finished my master's and I got recruited. So that was like a blessing. I got the job and then I taught DLMs, DTL, BSL, LLMs, and all ranges of subject I have touched, like from taxation diplomas, from labor laws to contract to whatnot, like all the subjects I have touched. So that gave me confidence as well as I've enjoyed where students and teacher all are in same range. We are also learning, still we are teaching. That was a wonderful time period. I enjoy that.
Wow, wow. Okay. So now let's go to the next round to understand Pooja as a person. Tell us about
Okay.
your family and your formative years.
Oh, my family role in my formative years, it has been crucial as they laid the foundation of who Pooja is now. My family, like, always been supportive, specifically my parents, my in-laws, all. I belong to the legacy of law, like my dad is a corporate lawyer. My family is a beautiful blend of accomplished individuals ranging from corporate leaders to building professionals, doctors, and lawyers. So, my formative years, I'll say they were enriched with their wisdom, love, and guidance.
Wow. So let's go back to your college days, memories, actions over there.
They bring fond memories. Each moment in the college was a cherished experience, filled with learning, growth, and endless friendship, adventures as well.
Okay. So, are you still in touch with your friends made over the years
Very
and any
much.
people to them?
I have a great pool of friends because I have lived in many parts of India and now I've moved out of India. So wherever we go, we are touching base, making friend pool. So not only college and school friends, I have many friends like in different continents also now.
Yes. Any message, any you want to use this today's episode and do a shout out. So they will also be feel yes, Pooja is remembering them.
Okay, so message to my friends. Okay, guys, I want to meet you all soon, whenever possible, whenever I'm touching your city, country. We surely will meet and we'll have a blast.
Wow. So now, Pooja, any hobbies or activities that you enjoy doing in your free time?
I believe it's important to have an interest outside of your work because that keep you charged and that actually switch your mode also from work mode to your playful mode and So yeah, I channelize my creativity into various passion, including traveling to explore new cultures. I indulge in shopping a lot and immerse myself into diverse tradition of different countries.
Mhm. Okay, that's interesting. There's another interesting aspect to you, tarot reading.
Oh
So, what
yes.
got you interested in tarot reading, and how has the experience been?
See, tarot is something law is my profession and it came to me as a legacy and I love it because I've grown with that. But tarot is my passion. It's totally my passion because spirituality is the way I go. It keeps me grounded. And I always feel one should be spiritual because then you know what you're like, why you are here, what's the reason why you are here on the earth. You should have some purpose in life. So yes, and tarot has always assisted me in all the parts of life, not only career. And I believe tarot and law both, like my family also says, both of my career are not my career. One is my main career, law, but tarot and law both allows me to help people during the challenging part of their life, and I help them to sail through that. So I get a kind of satisfaction, which people say I get a kick. I get a kick when people get what they want.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Now, uh, how does a weekend look for you?
Oh, weekend here in Thailand is too good. It starts on Friday and it's end on Sunday. Unlike in India, because here they have a good blend of work culture and family life. So yeah, it starts on Friday and today is Friday. So after your show, have many plans to go on. So there are many good exotic places around. We generally go around, hop around. And I'm
Wow.
connoisseur. So usually on weekends, I'm mostly in exploring coffees. So this is the right show where I've been called.
Thank you, thank you. So, send pictures of different coffee places.
Oh,
See, I'm also a foodie like you, so I
okay.
like to visit different places for enjoying different types of food, coffees. Yes, that's why this
The
coffee okay.
heaven for coffee and for coffee culture, for food. So it's beautiful. I'll definitely keep you in touch with that.
Okay. Now, let's go to your memorable family tradition that has stayed with you over the years.
Okay. That make me think. One tradition, wherever life takes us, still goes on. That's our morning calls that keep us all connected and that we all look forward for.
Wow. Okay. So, what kind of books or novels you enjoy reading, Pooja?
I'm a voracious reader. I can eat, but yeah, time has changed, so I'm more on digital books. But yeah, I read fiction, non-fiction, rom-coms, roms, even magazines and newspaper. My day starts with reading 3 newspaper a day. Bangkok, of course, Thailand newspaper, Bangkok Post. Then I read India because I have my roots and all connections there. Then New York Times. My son is studying there, so I to keep myself appraised, I read 3 papers in a day.
Wow, very interesting. So, Pooja, how do you stay connected with your roots in Kota?
I keep on visiting Kota. I try to community where I've been born and with the people I am connected to. I try and be there in their highs and lows, and that
Wow,
keep me connected also.
wow. So, any food dish from Bangkok which has you like to go and again have?
Okay. Any dish to go for? Thai green curry. I love. I can have that any moment. Pad Thai, Som Tam. There are many, but yeah, there are few which I can't live without. Once or twice in a week, I generally go for Som Tam, Pad Thai, and green curry.
Wow. Okay. So my last question, describe puja in one line.
Okay, that's insightful. Puja is ever evolving, very introspective, and always curious to learn, always hungry to learn.
Wow. Okay. So now let's have some fun, the rapid fire round. Which
Bring
is
it.
your favorite tech gadget?
My favorite tech gadget? Okay, you can say gimbal. Not one, I can say three. I can't live without my iPad, my gimbal. These two are the gadgets which I need any moment, anytime.
Wow. Okay. Last book you have read?
Ikigai.
Wow.
And I'm reading Ikigai is a Japanese way of life. It's wonderful book. But there's one more book I want to mention. It's like I'm reading, I'm not remembering the name. So I'm flickering. What is the name? Yeah, that name is Shallows. It's a wonderful book. Everyone should read because it's like what the internet is doing to our brain. By Nicholas Carr, this book is, and it is more about digital law and all those things. It's wonderful book. One should read.
Wow. Okay. Tea or coffee?
Coffee any day, anytime.
A quote you live by?
Okay, your life is as good as your mindset. So cultivate positivity and watch your world transform.
Wow. Okay. A place you would love to visit in 2024?
You'll be surprised, Amir. This year I have visited 7 countries, but still, like on this coming month, in a day or two, I'll be going to New York. But yeah, still one place, one country I could not go due to some technical reason. That was Japan. So, if possible, we'll plan to go December to Japan.
Wow. So my last question. Your favorite color?
Blue, any day.
That So you get to win this book, which is also in blue.
Thank
Is your
you.
organic fiber healthy?
I
Blue.
earned. Thank you.
Okay. So friends, it was a lovely conversation which we can go on, but we have to give time to Pooja because she has to go and have discover
Yeah.
new place for coffee in Bangkok. So
Thank
will be sharing photos. It was a lovely conversation, Pooja. Uh, Learning about cyber law in global arena. We had a lovely conversation. We have 200 plus episodes, friends. Subscribe to our Coffee Conversation Show on the YouTube channel. You'll get to listen to interesting guest speakers sharing their journey, their subject expertise. And we would, if you want to be a guest speaker, connect with our team, the Emerging India Forum, through our website, through our LinkedIn page, through Instagram. We will be happy to feature you as a guest speaker. So enjoy your weekend and we connect with another guest speaker. So, Pooja.
you so much, Amir. I truly appreciate this coffee conversation. And as we navigate the complexities of the digital age, I remain committed to advancing remote legal solutions. So anyone who's interested or having problem with the digital space, you can connect with me. And guys, please subscribe to their channel. They are doing a wonderful job.